What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and it's time for Talking Tech Tuesday, and there is a new device out. That's right, the OPPO Find X. OPPO is coming out with a new device, the same company that owns OnePlus and Vivo. That's right, BBK Electronics is coming out with a new device. It's the OPPO Find X, and this device is a totally bezel-less design, 6.4-inch 1080p display, and the kicker about this thing, it has pop-up slider features on it, a new design language where the device kind of slides up for the front camera to be revealed, and the rear cameras will be 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel cameras on the back, and on the front facing camera it'll be a 25 megapixel camera. Now this will have a 92% screen to body ratio, so it won't have a fingerprint display sensor in the display or on the back. It will have 3D facial recognition on that front-facing camera. Now, OPPO says that it takes about 0.5 seconds for that front camera to be revealed so you can unlock the device. Don't know how that's going to work out. It's got some big boy specs. It's got the A45 Snapdragon, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of onboard storage. No notch. Absolutely no notch in on this device. It has minimal bezels on the top and on the chin, so it looks like a pretty impressive device. Not sure when this is going to be available, but good news, it will be available because it's a global LTE device, so it will be available to work in the United States. They're going to release it here. No word on a carrier. Could be released on a carrier. Not sure. A lot of rumors about this, so I'm not sure if that's actually going to be true or not. It's got a 3700 milliamp battery, fast charging, kind of like the OnePlus 6 dash charging, but it's called something else. It's also going to be running Color OS, which is their own operating system, along with Android 8.1 Oreo at launch. Now, OnePlus sold 1 million devices in 22 days, record sales for them. It took them that long to sell. It took them 3 months to sell the OnePlus 5T at 1 million, and also the OnePlus 5 about 3 to 4 months to sell 1 million of those. So they're doing really good, and they are fully stocked. So if you want to check that out, pick yourself up a OnePlus, let me know, and jump on there and grab one if you want. Also, the Pixel 3 XL leaks and rumors continue to roll out. Also, there's a new leak of a case that shows the front notch that looks like it has dual cameras. Could that be 3D facial recognition in the front for Google to unlock, kind of like the iPhone? Also looks like it's going to have a single camera on the back and won't have dual cameras. I don't know how you guys feel about that. I will say this, the Pixel 2 XL is still the best phone out right now in 2017 and then 2018. No one's beating that camera, and no one's beating Google software. So hands down, the best device. So the Pixel 3 XL will probably be even better. So look out, Samsung, LG, and Apple iPhone. Speaking of Apple iPhone, have you heard the rage and the controversy and the argument back and forth and the great debate whether their LCD 6.1 will outsell their OLED panels? Looks like rumors are saying that Apple's expecting their LCD 6.1-inch device to sell a lot because it's going to be priced more reasonable. It's a little cheaper to make over the OLED panels. Now, Viper with 3 Ys has said that the OLED will outsell the LCD. And John from Front Page Tech says the opposite. He says that LCD is gonna sell more than the OLED. So we'll just have to see. Jump on their channels, John from Front Page Tech and also Viper on YouTube. They both discuss this matter for you guys. So if you want to check that out, let me know. I feel like the LCD, the OLED, whatever Apple releases is gonna sell. They could release a phone with no camera, and Apple fanboys will say it's the greatest thing since white bread. Also, Android messaging is coming to your web desktop client. That's right, they're gonna have a web client that you'll be able to use on your desktop or on your laptop. It'll run on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge. It'll also work on the Mac, where you'll be able to receive your text messages right at your computer. Android has long needed this. Apple's had the ecosystem forever, where they get their text messages either on their iPad, on their MacBook, or even on their iPhone. So I think this is a great thing that Android messages is coming to the web client, so that you can receive your text messages right at your computer when you're sitting there, or even on your laptop. So this is a great thing. So jump on the Google Play Store, download the latest Android messages. The updates should be rolling out where you'll be able to use it on your desktop or your laptop. So check that out. Also, YouTube Music and YouTube Premium and YouTube Red, I'm confused. Which one is which? Well, it looks like YouTube Music will take over Google Play Music, and they'll have a subscription base where you pay $10 a month or $15 a month, depending if you want to do single or family. And this will give you all the music from Google Play, and also all your playlists eventually will go over to YouTube Music. Now, YouTube Red will now become YouTube Premium. That's right. So you'll have to still pay to get YouTube videos without ads. They'll have subscription base, but you can buy a subscription that will include YouTube Music. Are you confused? I am. And finally, have you heard about this Dreams app? That's right. Some former Google members and Instagram members have designed this Dreams app where you can view content on your phone in portrait mode instead of landscape. Now, I don't know why you would want to do this, but they have designed an app called the Dreams app where you can watch programming in portrait mode. So you could watch it like this. You don't have to turn it landscape. They're working with HGTV, Animal Planet, Bloomberg, and they're decided that this is a better way, a better viewing option for users who have smartphones, that they prefer to watch it in portrait mode than landscape. I don't know about that. I like to watch it like this in landscape, like a TV, but that's just me. Hey, but what do you think about that OPPO Find X? And how about that Pixel 3 XL rumors? 1 million sold by OnePlus 6, and also the Apple iPhone LCD or OLED, which one you going with? Also, Android messaging coming to your web desktop client. And what about YouTube Music and YouTube Premium? Is that something you're gonna subscribe to, or you're already subscribed to and you're excited about, or are you gonna try something else? And this Dreams app, what do you think about portrait mode viewing on your phone? I don't know about that, but that'll do it for Talking Tech Tuesday. I'm AndroidStud. Follow me on Twitter at AndroidStud. Also Instagram, Facebook, and Google+. Also, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell when you know when I'm dropping these Talking Tech Tuesdays. And also like that video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what's going on. For now, I'm out.